The pipeline crosses the river, but dozens of times and then runs west past the towns of Paluzza and Timau. At the Italian-Austrian border it disappears in the 7 kilometers long Glockenkreuz. The Transalpine Pipeline (TAL) has a total length of 753 kilometers away. It passes through Italy, Austria and Germany, connecting the port of Trieste with the German states of Bavaria and Baden-Württemberg. The operation of the pipeline is designed such that each refinery is scheduled to supply the required amount of oil in each of the right quality. The pipeline runs 145 kilometers on Italian soil, Friuli Venezia Giulia. It starts in the tank farm Sant'Orlando della Valle on the Adriatic coast and extends in a wide arc around the city of Trieste continue along the Karstic plain parallel to the Slovenian border and then reaches the province of Gorizia. The pipeline, 40-inch, with a total length of 465 kilometers connecting the tank farm in Sant'Orlando della Valle, Trieste, with the tank farm in Lenting, Ingolstadt. The pipeline starts from the marine terminal in Trieste. From Trieste, the 465 kilometers (289 miles) long pipeline runs through the Alps to Ingolstadt. From Ingolstadt, 21 kilometers (13 miles) long pipeline runs to Neustadt and Donau, and 266 kilometers (165 miles) long pipeline runs to Karlsruhe. Since the closure of the Central European Line (CEL) in 1997, the TAL provides to the entire crude oil for the oil refineries in Bavaria and the Bavarian Chemical Triangle. 2010, 34.5 million tons were transported. Since the beginning of operation in 1967, a total of 1.18 billion tons. In 1963 it was found by the U.S. company Bechtel within 4 months the feasibility of an oil pipeline across the Alps. One and a half years were needed to obtain the rights of way of more than 6,000 owners. After 3 years of construction, the line could be put into operation 1967. The total cost amounted to $192 million US. On Austrian territory they traverse then the Alps through the Gaetal and the Gailberg Sattel. The other route runs through the Drehtal to Lienz and then by the Eichel and along the Tauernbach. It continues in a northerly direction to the refineries in Vohburg and Ingolstadt. Numerous marker posts with special signs line the entire route of the pipeline. The signs can be found in the already traveled distance of the pipeline as well as the phone number of the responsible control center. The control center in Italy is responsible for the tank farm in Sant'Orlando della Valle, the south route Talig, consisting of the section on Italian soil and the southern section of the route in Austria to the Felbertauern tunnel. The control center in Germany is responsible for Talig northern route, consisting of the northern section of the Austrian route and the German section of the Talig, the tank farm in Lenting, Talny route, Talor route.